Hello all, in continuation with the array list, the next method which we are going to use is add. So this time we will be given an element to add. So for example 100 we have to add, and we have to add it at 2 location. So what we will do, 2 index have been given to us. So it means at this index, at this location we have to add the element 100, right? So it is a very simple concept. If the index, if there is, for example, assume there is still the space in this array, right? So if the value of the index is less than the given length, simply we can do what? We can shift them over here, and then we can insert the element 100 at this position, right? That is simply we are doing what? We have shifted a of 2 element into a of 3 element into a of 4. So can we generalize it with writing a of i's element has been shifted to a of I minus 1 if we will iterate it from the last index, from the a dot length minus 1, correct? So after shifting that, we can simply add the element into its correct position. Now the concept is that if there is no space already into this array, what we have to do then? We will simply call the grow method then. First we will call the grow method. Then after that we can simply shift the elements to their right side, and then we can insert the data into the given index. Simple. Let me show you how. So we have already done the grow and the toString method, right? So now we will call add method. We will do what? We will just provide it the index, and we will provide it the data, right? Now the two things which we will do is we will write if index is equal to a dot length, given length, then simply call the grow method. Then first call to the grow method, increase the length of it, and then work on it. And after that, after it has been increased, the length of the array has been increased, then do what? Then traverse the array from, this time we will not go from 0, we will go from a dot length minus 1 to 0. Okay, so we can say we are working it reversely to the index, because we don't have to go to 0, right? Because we have to simply shift the elements from this place to another place, so there is no requirement to go to 0 again. And here I will be telling a minus minus. We'll simply do one thing, as I told you, a of I may, we will place the elements of a of I minus 1, right? And after shifting all the elements, we will simply tell the data to be inserted into the a of index, and finally increment the value of the index. Done. That is it. Now the most important thing is, if the given index is less than 0, what to do then? So we will write those conditions over here as well. So if it is greater than 0, or even if it is greater than the given value of the index, then do what? Simply throw new index out of bound exception. That is it. We will simply write a statement over here, this. So now if we will run this, okay, so we haven't just add integer 2, I will say, okay. What has happened? Let me just check. Okay, the first element is the index, and then is the element. Okay, see, the element has been inserted at index 2 and rest of the element have been shifted to the next place. This is the add at method. Okay, hope you guys have understood the concept. Thank you very much.